AXIE Infinity, a cute NFT pet game that has collected over $30 million in fees in the last week, is currently raking in more protocol revenue than Ethereum and Bitcoin, as well as more than the next 11 top-ranking dApps combined. These are Uniswap, PancakeSwap, Aave, Compound, SushiSwap, QuickSwap, MetaMask, Lido Finance, MakerDAO, and Synthetics. And in this case, the business model is set up in such a way that those who benefit from it aren't simply a bunch of crypto dudes who are becoming richer. People at the bottom of the food chain are not excluded from these life-changing moments of wealth development this time. Hello everyone, I'm Sir Crypto, a cryptocurrency enthusiast with over 10 years of expertise. This YouTube channel allows me to express my enthusiasm for the crypto realm. This chance has taught me about the incredible possibilities that crypto can bring to the finance sector of some of the world's most powerful economies. I hope you appreciate it as much as I did when making this video. If you're new here, like, share and subscribe for all the latest crypto news from around the world. You will also enjoy our weekly Altcoin series that we have started recently, and this video is part of that series. So stay tuned till the end. Let's talk about the creation of AXIE Infinity, how it was created, how it was founded. So AXIE Infinity is an NFT-based online video game created by Sky Mavis of a Vietnamese company that employs the Ethereum-based cryptocurrency AXS, AXIE Infinity Shards, and SLP, Smooth Love Potion. With over $42 million in sales in June 2021, it is currently the most expensive NFTs collection. For some people in developing countries, gaming cryptocurrencies is their primary source of income, like Philippines. The popularity of this game in Philippines is incredible. Now, how AXIE Infinity is different from the other video games, you may ask. Well, although video games will always be popular in some form or another, only a small percentage of them allows players to earn money or manage their assets. AXIE Infinity, for example, is a blockchain game that is extremely different in this sense. The game is simple to play and allows players to make money by breeding, battling, and selling digital pets known as AXIEs. How can I join AXIE Infinity? Well, a scholarship or the purchase of a few starter AXIEs from the marketplace will be required to play AXIE Infinity. Now, because most of the people will have to pursue the latter choice, there is a financial outlay to consider. Given how accessible the game is, $1,000 or more initial commitment may not be a huge concern for some. Others will always have to pay a large sum of money that they may not be able to afford. Obtaining an AXIE scholarship may be a preferable choice, but not everyone will be able to take the advantage of this opportunity. Let's talk about AXIE Infinity scholarship in a little more detail. The interesting addition of scholarships to AXIE Infinity creates new opportunities for its players and in its play-to-earn model. Scholarships can offer different formats in one region and another format in a different region, so it can differ from one region to the next, and will require an AXIE Infinity account, a MetaMask account, and a Ronin account. As part of the scholarship, managers or guilds can provide 3 AXIEs for the player to earn SLP. These AXIEs are on loan, and players will receive educational tips from the manager or guild. Guilds or managers monitor all scholarships. They will only provide this opportunity to players committed to playing this game and contributing to the overall ecosystem. Of the SLP earnings, up to 40% can go to the manager, depending on how everything has been set up. Managers and scholars can convert their SLP into cryptocurrencies to make money. All in all, an exciting method to bring more people to this blockchain game ecosystem. Now talking about the AXIE Marketplace. AXIEs themselves can be traded in real life in the likes of AXIE Marketplace as NFTs, non-fungible tokens. NFTs are digital collectibles that exist on online ledgers known as blockchains and are better known for recently taking the art world by storm. Other in-game assets such as real estate, flowers, barrels, and lamps can also be traded for NFTs. All of these items are purchased and sold using Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. This is a significant improvement over previous versions of the game, such as World of Warcraft, when trade of gold and in-game items occurred on unaffiliated auction sites and was punishable by a long ban. Trading in AXIE Infinity and comparable games has become more safe thanks to the introduction of a specialized marketplace, NFTs, and a blockchain. This implies that players genuinely own the products in question. Besides AXIE Infinity, CryptoKitties is another play-to-earn game that has built up a substantial following. In that game, players buy, breed, and trade digital cats using Ethereum. Again, these cats are NFTs which generate wealth not just for the developers but also the player community. The most expensive CryptoKitties sold to date, which was called Dragon, went for ETH600, around $170,000 at the time. Let us know in the comments if you guys want us to make a video about CryptoKitties. We'll definitely consider for our next weekly series. Such an amazing project, and we cannot not talk about the development team. Apologies if we pronounce these names a little incorrectly. Trung Nguyen, CEO or CTO. Trung is a tech entrepreneur and CTO of Lozi, a VC-backed startup in Vietnam. Trung enjoys product design and developing difficult projects. Tu Doan, art director or game designer. Tu or Masamune, as he known to the team, has been designing games since he was a child. He started with card games and graduated to making video games at the age of 13. Alexander Larson, COO, an experienced video game broadcaster and ex-competitive gamer. Alexander is in charge of making sure our operations run smoothly and efficiently. His background in esports and running gaming tournaments also gives us insight into the world of competitive gaming and innovative monetization strategies that can be unlocked as the space grows. Time to end this video with our opinion about AXIE Infinity. Let's start with the pros. On paper, AXIE has a lot going for it. It's one of the top going gaming cryptos by market capitalization. Its senior team has experience in both blockchain and gaming. It has a white paper with a clearly defined roadmap goals. It is making money according to a token terminal which measures the revenue of various protocols. AXIE Infinity made $40.2 million in the past 7 days alone. Billionaire and crypto enthusiast Mark Cuban joined AXIE's latest funding round, in which it raised $7.5 million. Now let's talk about some of the cons. Here are some of the biggest AXIE-specific risks. AXIE may experience more server issues or face different kind of technical problems. If the value of AXIE falls, participating in the game will not be so lucrative and the community may move on. Given the speed of technical development, there's always the chance a newer game will knock it off the top spot. Well, that's all we have to say for AXIE Infinity for now. Let us know in the comments if you liked this video, share and subscribe. Also tell us which cryptocurrency do you want us to talk about in the next Altcoin weekly video.